Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kristen Mrazek from Mrazek Makeup Artistry. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my favorite products of 2017. And so, yeah, that's kind of the way things go around here. Awesome. So my favorite products of 2017, I've really limited them. So I have only probably about 10 to 12 products that I've really tried to kind of fine tune for your benefit. So I'm not here rambling for a good solid half hour. This is Nika. It's her birthday today. So we're going to start with eyes because I tend to progress throughout my makeup routine eyes first. Makes it a little bit easier to wipe everything away before going on to face. So I have two little palettes here and these are my absolute favorites right now. So I got both of them kind of at the end of 2017. I might have to throw another in there, but so this is the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette and it's so beautiful and it looks like that. So this is absolutely, like, some of the shimmers, the glitters here are phenomenal, like absolutely blow your mind phenomenal. The one thing I don't like about this palette is the smell, because it does smell really chemically. Like, I don't really understand. I don't have any of the other Huda Beauty palettes besides like the little ones, so I can't really tell you if that's a normal thing or not, but I'm not a fan of that. Otherwise, I absolutely love it. They're so creamy. I love that it has a little mirror on there, so it's perfect for traveling. They do have 4 different little palettes, but I just have the smoky one here today. Anyways, I love these. And then I also really love the Tarte Tartelette Toasted palette, and it is so beautiful. I just lost a little inside sheet there. But this is what it looks like. It's super warm, lots of beautiful neutrals. Just one of those palettes that they make everything so easy because everything's right there for you. And once again, it has a nice big mirror in there. Really like that. The smell, oh, it's like, well, it's toasted. The smell is so good. My dog's just freaking out. She has her moments where she's really cute, and then she has her moments where it's like, oh, it's a good thing you're really cute. So I am also going to throw this in there. I wasn't planning on talking about this palette, but I have to say for 2017, this was my most used palette. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collaboration, and it's so dirty, like absolutely ridiculously dirty, but don't mind. This is what it looks like, and it is just beautiful, and the formula is really good. It's very creamy. You know when you have like one hair that's sticking to you? Okay. They're very creamy. I love Morphe palettes. I think they're just really great, especially for travel, especially for freelance makeup artists, because they're not usually that expensive. This one, I have to say the price was not my favorite thing about this palette, considering between shipping and border costs, it ended up being a pretty pricey palette. So that was one thing I didn't really like, but it is so versatile. They have neutrals and some beautiful pops of color. I am wearing it on my eyes today, and I really do love the palette. I mean, I've gotten so much use out of it, so I shouldn't complain about the price, because really cost per wear, it's more reasonable, but still a little bit pricier than I had anticipated for a Morphe palette. I'm going to throw an eyeliner in here because everyone knows I love my Stila Stale Date liquid eyeliner. Love it, but I tend to go through it really quickly, and so I found the NYX, this little NYX one. What's it called? That's the Point, and it's in Hella Fine. And then the tip is like this, so it's so tiny, super precise. Like, absolutely love it. If you're one of those people who you need kind of like a felt tip liner a little bit for more precision, this is the one for you, and it is super affordable, like I said, which I really like. My mascara for the year and probably for all time now is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This mascara, I have no words. Like, I have no words. It's just perfect. It's amazing. And this one, I don't think there's anything better out there. I just love, 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 love this mascara. Love it. Love it. So, how do I really feel about it? Yeah. So then another one of my little favorites for this year is this Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow, I believe it's called. Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is one of those that just, the formula is unbeatable. I know they have a whole new range of, like, not so much the glitters, but the actual eyeshadows, I believe. And I haven't tried those ones, but the glitters are so good. Like, I'm not really a glitter person, so it's kind of amazing that I even tested these out, but they make everything so easy. I mean, it was just so easy to use and there was no fallout. So on to face products. I'm going to start with primer. And I love this primer. It's the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. I don't know why they make the names of these just so absurd. This primer is absolutely incredible. I love it. It gives you that lit from within kind of glow and luminosity, and I really like it because I am dry, but for someone who's a little bit more on the oily side, I don't know if I would suggest this one. I would kind of suggest something that's a little bit more mattifying, whereas this one's more for luminosity, and that's probably why I like it so much. My favorite foundation of the year, I have to say, and this is probably going to come as a surprise to a lot of people, but I really liked the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This was just one of those really surprising products. It's great because it has a lot of buildability. It's very buildable. Let's go with that. This foundation is so buildable. It's just gives really great coverage. You can have a little bit more of a sheer coverage or more full coverage. It is one of those ones that you cannot go wrong with this. And I really didn't find any drawbacks to this foundation, which is shocking for me, I guess. But maybe the shade range isn't the greatest. There isn't a huge shade range. But I do like that it has this little spatula thing here. So it makes it really easy for freelance artists because you can pop it on your palette and then just kind of mix different colors together. So everyone and their mother knows of this powder. It's the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I couldn't get away from it this year. I can't find anything better. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I would love to hear, because there are some products that I'm just so stuck on because they're just so good. And that's one of them, is that Mercier Translucent Powder. This is another one that I don't know if I'll ever go away from it because it's so good. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And it's such a pain because we can't get it at Sephora. I don't really understand, but for us Canadians, we don't have Ulta, so we don't have this in store, so we have to order it online, which is a bit of a pain in the butt, but frankly, I think it's so worth it because I can't find a concealer better than this. It gives incredible coverage. It doesn't ever feel heavy on your under eye. It's not drying. Anyways, if anyone else has any kind of similar consistency concealers, please let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. For bronzers, this is no surprise either. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I am obsessed with this. I've tried other bronzers in the past, but I mean, for the price, this is so good. Yes, it's expensive, more expensive for kind of a drugstore bronzer, but it's so great that it's really hard to kind of get away from. It's just so creamy, and the smell, the smell just transports you to vacation. Like when you're on vacation, it smells like coconut. Almost sunscreeny, but in the best way possible. And I'm gonna leave it there. Okay. So So my next product is a highlight, and this is just kind of not shocking whatsoever. I think all of these products, everyone can kind of be like, yeah, those are really, really good products. Like, they're kind of holy grail products. So I don't know what's going on with my hair here, but this is the Becca highlight in Champagne Pop, and it is by far my most used and my favorite because I love the kind of gold peachy undertones that come with this highlight. And Becca just knows how to do highlights. Like, they know what they're doing, that's for sure. So then I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite lip products. And this is the Stila Stay All Day. Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. And this color is my ultimate favorite at this point. It's this beautiful, beautiful oxblood red. It's called Rubino. And I think I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right. This is just one of those products that you get your hands on and you're going, okay, I can never let this go. Like, this color, for me personally, is just one of my absolute faves. Anytime I've been wearing it, someone has always asked me, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? I just can't get enough of it. So that's my one lippy that I just am absolutely loving. My other one is the Buxom, what are these called? I have no idea what these are called. Oh. So full-on lip cream. So they have the creams and the glosses, and I am obsessed with both of them because they both have the same smell. Just like this vanilla. Oh, I don't know. It's just so good. So good. I'm obsessed with vanilla, so anything vanilla, I'm like, oh, I really like that. But these lip creams and lip glosses, they're so nice. They're just so smooth and creamy and buttery and all those fun words that everyone always uses. But I really like it. And I like that it also has that kind of almost plumping feel when you put them on, and makes your lips feel larger than they are. Because who doesn't want that? Let's be honest here. And then last but not least, this is my favorite brow product, probably of all time, and it is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. And I just think these are not only easy to use, but just the most convenient and wonderful, and I need more descriptive words. Anyways, this product I just use with a stiff angle brush, and I really love this product because you can get more of a sculpted brow, or you can do kind of more feathery strokes and get more natural brows. So I really like this product. And they have such a great color range, especially for blondes, because it is hard to find a good blonde for blondes without being too orange or red. That is my rundown of my 2017 favorite products, and I hope you enjoyed it. I did really try to condense it. I do have a ton of other products that I could be suggesting, but those are my favorites. So please go ahead and like this video and subscribe. I would appreciate that very much. And also, I'd love to get suggestions for my next video. I'm thinking a tutorial. So would you like to see something more natural, something a little bit more glam? Leave your suggestions in the comment box below, and I hope to hear from you, and I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.